Did you know that young people just 20 to 21 years old are earning a huge monthly income by creating 3D cartoon animation videos? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually find several YouTube channels that have succeeded by creating these kinds of 3D cartoon animation videos. The owners of these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month just by uploading these videos. So today, in this video, I'm going to fully explain how you can create 3D cartoon animation videos completely free, using AI and without any effort. So then, without further ado, let's jump into the video and see exactly how to create these kinds of videos. And hey, if you don't believe me, you can skip to the end of this video and watch our final result first. Once you see it, I'm sure you'll want to watch the entire video without any hesitation. Step 1. Generating the story and script. Alright, so the first step is for you to come to ChatGPT and copy and paste the first prompt given in the description below. So, you'll see a prompt like this. Here, in the place of country, you need to give the country for which you want to create your folktale. So, this time, I'm giving Sri Lanka. Then, it will create folktales related to Sri Lanka for me. Alright, so in that manner, you can see it has listed 20 folktales for me. Okay, so if you've created those folktale ideas, the next thing you have to do is copy and paste the second prompt. In that prompt, you only have to change the part that says your story and insert the story you created. So, this time, I'm copying and pasting the topic, the greedy dog. Alright, so if you've set up those parts like that, you just need to press enter. Then, you'll receive the script and all the other necessary information to create our story. Alright, so now you can see our script is nicely organized and separated into scenes. Each scene has a narration part for the voiceover, a description of the characters relevant to the scene, and a detailed prompt needed to create the image. So, the first step is complete. Now, it's time for the second step. As the second step, we have to create images for each of our scenes. For this, I'll be using the Google Whisk AI tool. So, you need to come to this site via the link provided in the description below, and simply register using your Gmail. Once you've registered, you'll see an interface like this. Here, click on Enter Tool. Then, you'll see an interface like this. Now, I'll explain how to create images using this tool. First, we need to create images for all the characters that appear throughout our video. So, look at the script and find the total number of characters in the story. You can see that my entire script only has one character, the puppy, who is in the story throughout. So, you also identify the characters in your story in the same way. Now, I'll tell you how to create the image for that character. First, you need to copy one of the character descriptions and paste it into the prompt box of the Whisk AI tool. You can see that this prompt doesn't have a description about the style. Therefore, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy and paste the style part. Once you've completed those parts, click on the aspect ratio option below, select landscape, and press enter. Then, you can see it has created our image within a few seconds. From here, bring the mouse pointer over the image you like and click on Refine. Then, click on the download icon below to download the image. In this way, you can create images for all the characters in your script. Okay, so if you've created the character images in that way, the next step is to create the images needed for the scenes. To do that, you need to come to ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, copy the text image prompt under the first scene and paste it into the prompt box in Whisk. Now, we need to upload the character images required for this scene. To do that, click on this arrow above, and then upload the images of the characters in your scene into this image box. So, in my first scene, there's only this dog, so I uploaded his image. If there are additional characters in your scene, click on this plus icon and upload the corresponding images for the rest of the characters. Right, so if you've completed that part, all you have to do is select the aspect ratio as landscape, just like before, and press enter. Then you can see that it has created our image within a few seconds. Select the one you like from here and download it. So, in this manner, create and download all the images for the rest of your scenes. Okay, so if you've completed the second step like that, now what you have to do is convert the images we created into videos. That's step 3. So, to do that, we'll use this Kling AI called AI Video Generator. All you have to do is simply go to the Kling AI website and register. When you register, you'll get enough points for our work, which is more than sufficient. Now, all you have to do is click on the video option, check if image to video is selected in this tab. Next, what you have to do is select video 1.5 from the video models at the top. Through this model, we can create our video using fewer points. Now, upload the image that corresponds to the first scene in the place where images are uploaded. Once you've done that, copy and paste the text image prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt section. As I said before, if you select the video 1.5 model, you'll see an option to create sound effects. If you want, you can turn this on or off here. Turning it on won't spend any extra points. Now, all you have to do is click on the Generate button below, and that's it. It'll create your video within a few seconds. So, this is my result that you can see. You can download it by simply clicking the download button. And that's how you create videos for every scene. Alright, so in that way, we've completely finished creating the visuals part of our video. Now, we need to create the voiceover required for our story. So, to do that, first, come to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt given in the description, paste it, and press enter. Then, it will separate the narration parts present in our story. Alright, so now, let's see how to create our voiceovers. You probably know that there are many websites to create voiceovers, like 11 Labs. But today, I'm going to use this Google AI Studio tool. So, all you have to do is simply go to this site through the link given in the description below. After that, click on Native Speech Generation. Now, select Single Speaker Audio as the mode here. Next, choose a voice you like from the list. Since I like this one, I'll select the Sharon voice. After that, you need to describe how this AI voice should speak in the Style Instructions box. So, I'll type proud tones suitable for story narration. Now, I'll copy and paste the first narration written by ChatGPT into this text box. Then, click on the Run button to create the audio. It will generate our audio within a few seconds.
Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a hungry dog searching for something to eat.
So now, let's see how to download it. To do that, click on the 3 dots and then click on the download button. And that's it, our audio will be downloaded. In this way, create and download every narration. Alright, so now, we've completed 4 steps. We have all the visuals and audio required for our video. Now, we just need to combine and edit them together. So, for that, all you have to do is open your favorite video editing software and import both your video and audio clips. After that, place the audio part and the video corresponding to the first scene onto the timeline. Now, you need to cut and adjust the speed to match the two and edit it nicely. Do that for every scene to make everything flow smoothly. Once you've adjusted those, you can add transitions if you like. Alright, so in that way, once you've completely edited the video, click on the Export button above and export your final video.
Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a hungry dog searching for something to eat. After wandering for a while, the dog found a juicy piece of meat near a butcher's shop. The dog quickly ran away with the meat, clutched tightly in his mouth. On his way home, the dog came to a small wooden bridge over a clear river. When he looked into the water, he saw his own reflection and thought it was another dog with a bigger piece of meat. Thinking he could grab that other piece too, he opened his mouth to bark, and his meat fell straight into the river. The greedy dog watched sadly as the meat disappeared, and realized his greed had cost him everything. From that day on, the dog never let greed control him again. The moral is simple. Greed always leads to loss.
Alright, so in this video, I completely explained how to create 3D cartoon animation videos for free using AI. So, how was today's video? If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then, we'll meet again with a brand new video just like this. Have a good day, everyone.